guys, it's Winifred
and Gertrude,
and we're the Silk Sisters. So welcome to the channel. If you're new, we're just going to tell you a little bit about it. So we're two sisters and we've been doing aerial silks for just like a few months now. We're not super advanced or anything, but we just wanted to share what we know with the world and make it as simple and easy as possible to follow along, unlike many other channels. So we have never had an actual paid teacher. We've learned only from YouTube, which is why we wanted to spread it with our own channel. So today we're going to be learning the very basics in case you're completely new. The double and single footlock. That's my dog. So let's get right to the skills. First is going to be the single footlock. Here you have the choice of either doing it on one silk or doing it on both silks together. For both of them, either one you choose, it's the same technique. So we're going to do for both silks today. So you wrap it around from the outside, inside, outside again, only once. Then you want to pull some slack. Then you want to wrap it from the outside to the inside. And now you're done. You can put as much weight on it as you please. You can swing. So from here, you can pull this open, and there's many, many moves you can do. One of them is, I quite forgot what this is called. I need to No, that didn't quite work out, but here's another video of us doing it right. The donut. You need a little bit of arch in your back for this. And there, if you can see it. Okay. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so before we begin, I just want to make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe box below. Comment please, let us know what you want us to show you. We'll show it in detail, so in case you're confused on anything, the other aerial silks tutorials are not clearing up, please let us know in the comments below, and we'll get right back to you. Probably in 3 days or something, we'll have a video out. Okay, so let's get to the double footlock moves. So it's the same strategy. You just do a single footlock, like so, and then you go up on it, and you do another single footlock, except on the other silk. So you want to get them as even as possible, which is pretty hard, but here it is, pretty even. So here's a move. If you have your splits down, which I don't, you can do the splits in here, and then you can spin around, see, like so, spin around again, like so, and yeah. So this is how it's gonna look. I don't know what this is called, but I know I've seen it somewhere.
splits roll.
Splits roll. Thanks, Kat. And there it is. Well, that didn't really work out, but at least now you know how to do the double and single footlock moves. We can make other videos all about different skills you can learn with these moves, but now you have basics. Oh, and one more thing, no hateful comments, please. We know you might want to call us retarded or something, but it's just, please don't, we'd rather not. Yeah, Winifred and Gertrude here, we're the Silk Sisters.
Bye!